Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to wrap the text in LibreOffice. So let's say if you're having a long text and you want to wrap that into multiple lines within a cell, then how will you do that? So for that, LibreOffice has two options. One is to go to format and go to text, and here you will see wrap text. So it will turn, or it will move the lines which are in access to the columns width. It will move those lines to multiple lines within the cell, so it will make it more cleaner. And so that was one of the ways, which was to go to format and go to text and click on the wrap text, while you're having a shortcut as well, which is to just click on the wrap text. This is the shortcut icon which is right there in front of in the front screen. So it's like pretty easy, right? In this toolbox you can just find this, which has this down arrow, so easy to recognize. So just click on it and it will wrap the text. And just in case you are having, let's say, extra spaces within that cell, so you can just double click on the bottom of the cell number, and it will just remove all the excess spaces which are there, so the height of the cell will be reduced. And if you want to adjust the width, then you can accordingly pull it. And if you want to remove these extra spaces, just double click on it, and those will be removed. So it will just adjust the width accordingly, but you can change the width according to your requirement, but then you have to adjust the height. For that, you can just double click and it will adjust the height accordingly. So this is how you wrap the text in LibreOffice.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on being skilled.